Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on November 1, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Column H, column I, we have 1. So one can't come these cells. Then one is confirmed here. Third grade, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Ninth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row and fourth row, we have pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 8. Fifth row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, 9th row, we have 7. Column C, column D also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 4. Column F also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, column H, we have pair numbers 4, 6, 7. So 4, 6, 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. 1 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 5th row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. 1 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, column E, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. 1 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. If we come 1, so 1 can't come in the cell. The 1 is confirmed here. If we come 1, so 1 can't come in the cell. The 1 is confirmed here. So 1 will come in another these cells. So 1 can't come in the cell. The 1 is confirmed here. Then column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. The 1 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Second row and fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then second grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3, column B, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3, 8th row, we have 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have pair numbers, 4 and 7, so 4 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6, column G, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 5th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5, 8th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 4th grid, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then 4th grid, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6, 9th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 10th row, 8th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 6th grid, we have 5 and 6, so 5 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9, 6th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3, 5th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, 6th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.